See yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Say good morning.
Good morning. Morning.
What is today?
April.
It's the first day of youth turkey hunting. That's all that matters.
Yeah, that
So we set up a little bit late, and we had some blind malfunctions, we'll call it. But we heard one turkey fly off behind us when we were setting up, so we spooked one. Hopefully there's still some more in here. It's not quite sun up yet, but should be coming pretty quick. Hopefully we can hear some gobbling.
Yeah.
Wish us luck?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully we get one.
Yeah. God, my ears are big. Yeah, mine too.
Why don't you tell me what happened?
No. I get to shoot the gun.
Well, because Autumn is in this position already.
Yeah, well, I really got a better shot.
They're pretty crazy, huh? They seen the decoys worked. They seen them, man, they were running and weren't they?
I think I broke my ears.
Be quiet. Nothing says they won't come back. That second one was a Tom. Should have been on that one the whole time. The other ones were Jake's. But that's alright. 0 for 2, huh? That's alright. That's part of hunting. Just ask your sister. She's missed about everything I ever take her hunting for. That was pretty intense though, huh? Your heart beat a little bit? Yeah. That's what it's all about.
My ears would start to ring.
You gotta be quiet, AJ. There might be more coming, but man, that was awesome. They seen our turkeys and they came running right over the hill, didn't they?
I didn't think my ears would start to ring.
So what the heck happened?
I broke
Not right on them or what?
I must have moved by a shot.
Yeah, they tend to move a lot. That's why I say you gotta come out.
They're coming back.
Are they? Okay, AJ, then you're up.
I see them.
Here. Now the safety's on, so just wait. Are they coming or no?
I see them, but I don't think they're coming.
They're a ways away. You can sit back down then. I don't even see them, AJ.
I don't either. I do.
That's crazy, they just come running right in.
I got my finger.
You're alright, aren't you? Well, I call that a successful morning. Have a couple shots at some turkeys. That was crazy, they came running over the hill like that. You see how fast you gotta be ready?
I think it's coming.
Jake strutting. Over there again, there's 3, 4 of them, 5. That's that whole group again. What are the odds they come back in here again, huh? Look at all them turkeys up there.
Oh my God, I see them.
There's gotta be. Nobody's shooting yet, so just calm down. There's a couple hens up there that are chasing, that's why. You see that one strutting? You see how his fan in the middle is taller?
Yeah.
That's because he's a Jake. His outside feathers haven't grown long enough yet. So that's how you can always tell if it's a Jake or if it's a Tom. If it's a Tom, it'll be round all the way. I don't think they're gonna come down here, guys. Look, there's just what, one hen they're chasing? All those Jakes. Well, maybe there's a couple hens. Look at, they're curious.
You think they should come back?
Shh, you gotta whisper.
They should come back. I can see that. Decoys.
Oop, somebody else shot.
I don't know what to do.
A couple of them that are curious.
Just want to get
otherwise they'll come. You don't want to shoot them before. Alright, you up on the gun. Get your finger off the trigger. Do it ready. You got this in there. You got your cheek on there, looking all the way down the barrel. Huh? Okay. Just keep it pointed at them and be ready when they get close enough. Just be quiet. Patiently wait. That first one's ahead. You can't shoot that first one. Only the three in the back. That one on the right. Can you shoot through the trees? No. Keep coming closer. The closer they come, the easier it will be. Don't move too much on them. You're right in front. Get your gun pointed at them, AJ. Are you on them? You're looking straight down the barrel. Get your cheek on here. Hold on, we're not shooting yet. Let's see if they come closer. They're looking at us, don't move. See if they come a little bit closer. guess what? We're out of bullets.
And they're still too far. I think I broke my vision.
You broke your vision.
Yeah.
Why?
I can see rainbows that's not actually there.
They still here?
Well, I couldn't really get a good look at them.
Alright.
They left. Oh wait, there's one right there.
Yeah, I know, but what the hell are we gonna do about it?
Oh, there. In the face.
What happened with yours? Then you didn't even want to shoot again.
Yeah.
You didn't have it on you, did you?
No.
Why not? That's why I told you this whole time. Get on it and get ready. That's why I said you gotta be ready. And you were freehanding it on that last one. That's alright though. Well, this is definitely gonna make a good video. How many times we shoot at turkeys today? 4?
You see chicken, let's go again.
Missed
It
it.
hurt my finger. It felt like my finger. Yeah, guess what? So did mine.
That's because you guys are
So
not holding the gun in your arm so it jumps back and hits your finger. You get it in your shoulder so it doesn't bounce back and get you. Well, that was a good morning. I've never had a morning when I got 4 shots at a turkey. You guys are all, man, just blasting.
Ooh, that's a lot of turkey.
They decided to go scare them because they can't shoot them.
Huh?
Yeah, couldn't hit the broad side of the barn, so they went out and scared them away. Good work, guys. Hey, turn around and give me a thumbs up on the shooting experience you guys gained.